Hi everybody, it's Mele Huddy. You can also call me #BossMK, and it's dinner time. So I am making cheesy broccoli, broccoli stuffed chicken. Yes, it's really simple, really fast. So definitely, if you're coming in live, drop a 1. Hey Gloria, if you're coming in on a replay, drop I miss you below. And if you're new to the show, make sure to drop new in the comments below and share it out, because it's going to be really quick, simple, easy recipe. I love quick, simple, easy recipe. So it'd be like this, really fast. So definitely hit the share button, drop shared in the comments. And if you want to come and say where you're coming in from, that would be awesome too. I am coming in from Kauai. Hello Evelyn, Shelly, Christine, Gloria. We are only on Facebook tonight. So yeah, we are going to, I already cut the chicken breast in half here. As you can see, maybe I should turn it this way, maybe easier for you to see. So I took chicken breast, cut it in half, and I put black pepper, garlic, salt. Definitely you can sit back, relax, watch the show. And if you want the recipe, drop secret. But if not, grab a pen and paper, or just sit back, watch me go. So, hello everybody. Yeah, and talk back and forth with me. That would be awesome, because I like to talk stories. Then I'll do more and more. Hey Loki. For sure. Okay, so I did all that, and I am going to do some broccoli. I love broccoli. Like, if you love broccoli, drop broccoli in the comments, or the broccoli emoji. Last night we had broccoli, and we just put, thank you for the share. Aloha. If you've shared, make sure to comment share in the comments. Aloha, aloha, aloha. Share to your favorite group, to your page. And I'm finding a knife. I'll do this. I'm gonna cut this broccoli in. And this knife is not really sharp. I'm gonna cut the broccoli in like a little quarter. So it fits in there. Hello, Kareen. Moses, thank you for the share from Big Island, Puna side. Is it raining over there? It's raining over here. It was funny part when I was wrapping. Or maybe you had too much water too. That happens. Like if you touch, it will fall apart. That's a great, yeah. I actually buy the frozen ones. You cannot handle it too much is the only thing. So they will fall apart. I hope that helps. Okay. And my oven is already preheated for sure. And it's on 400 actually. Yeah, what I was saying, broccoli. So broccoli we had last night. We just coated it with, or I coated it with, because as you know, yesterday was our ride day, Sunday. So we came home, made dinner like real fast, but it was olive oil, garlic powder, and air fried it. So yummy. So yummy. So now we are going to, I'm going to put mozzarella cheese. And a little bit of cheddar cheese. Share. And actually our shares, I am going to switch it up a little bit. So if you shared, you're going to be entered into a giveaway, and I'll do it's going to be a giveaway box. So it's going to be, so if you want to drop in the comments like what you like to receive as gifts, because it will be like a whole box you'll get. It's just easier for me too, but I would love, I appreciate your shares, and so yes, I still want to give you something, but I want it to be like bigger than what I've been doing. So, hey Virginia, hey Jean. So definitely drop, share, hit the share button, drop it, share it to your favorite group, your page, with a friend, and make sure to drop shared in the comments so you can be entered into that giveaway for the end of the month. And it will be in my stories. The giveaway will be in my stories. I'm gonna melt this a little bit. This is like simple. This is going to be a really stuffed thing. So I'm going to take the cream cheese, I'm going to put it inside of the chicken. It's just much easier. I'm going to show you real quick. Okay, and we're gonna take some, I think this is, oh, okay, can you see? Okay, there. Oh, you'll have to win a box of Kwai shrimp. Yeah, that would be a suggestion, because I love Kwai shrimp too. So, yeah. Drop your suggestions. I'm open. I can ship to, I think, hi from Arizona. Hi, Diane. How are you? You're gonna see me live a lot tonight. Like, I have a whole schedule. I'm actually behind schedule. But, doesn't this look so yummy? Oh my gosh. So yummy, so healthy. So I am currently, well, I'm doing the challenge, of course, but I'm also doing a 75 hard, which is, I'm on day 7 on 75 hard. Almost fell off yesterday. I was like, oh, after our ride, I really wanted to drink a seltzer. But I was like, no, I just guzzled water the whole time. It's 7:24 right now. 7:24. Yeah, I'm making broccoli, cheesy broccoli stuffed chicken breasts. So we're gonna bake this, and then I could even make a balsamic, reduced balsamic to drizzle over. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I forgot to do a video. So much stuff in there. Taking a video, making a short video. But here you go. I'm gonna bake this, and then when it's done, I'm probably gonna make a balsamic drizzle, reduced balsamic drizzle for it. It's because I loved it. So yeah. So if you got value, definitely drop a fire emoji in the comments below. I'm gonna stick this in the oven, and make sure to share. And if you shared and you find value, make sure to share it to your favorite group, with your friend, and you will be share it in the comments so I can enter your name and track you better into the giveaway at the end of the month. And I will take into consideration all, like one said koi shrimp, so maybe, who knows, I can send that for sure. So definitely hit the follow, and if you want the recipe, definitely drop a secret in the comments below. Thank you for the share, Shelly. I love you all. I appreciate you, and don't forget, when it's done, sprinkle it with love. Aloha.